Okay.
I'm Ellie Roberts and I'm the Senior Researcher at Community Links. Today we've launched our report Tipping the Balance, which looks at the cumulative impacts of welfare reform on our local community in Newham. It's a qualitative piece of research and we found that welfare reform has had a significant impact on those people that we support. It's impacted directly on their finances. We've seen people lose up to 70% of the income that they had previously. It's impacted on their health and their well-being. It's impacted on families and children. And it's also had impacts on housing and work as well. We did find that there were some positive impacts as a result of welfare reform, but overwhelmingly we found that welfare reform had eroded people's resilience. And this was partly due to the speed of reforms, the scale of reform, and the fact that lots of reforms have hit people at the same time. We have a series of recommendations in the report, and they look at the kind of communication and information that people receive, the support that people receive. We feel that information and support could be done and offered to people a lot more intelligently. We think that people need to have more access to more financial support, especially those who are least resilient and those with the biggest barriers. And we feel that across the board people need to be communicated to in a clear and coherent way so that they understand what they can do to mitigate some of the negative impacts of the reforms. We also have a challenge to ourselves and the third sector. We feel that we could be doing more to work collaboratively and share our experiences from the heart of those affected communities.